we will say welcome to our midst, and we hope and pray that we are going to be encouraged by our girls, especially our guest speaker too, so that they will continue to be serious with their studies. Once again, Nana Chairperson and Nanano, you are welcome to the program, which is Summer Camp 2023, and the theme is empowering the girl child with innovation for STEM education in the 21st century. Nanache, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. May God continue to bless us. Once again, you are
Let's give a clap offering to our headmistress and to our custodians of our life. We are very privileged to have them among us. Thank you, Madam President. As we continue, we call on Hajia Safia Salifu, headmistress Islamic Girls Senior High School, to do the official introduction of the chairperson and specialist of Anna.
Of the girl child with dedication and diligence, with unity and perseverance, we shall educate the girl child for national development. If you educate a man, you educate one person. If you educate a woman, you educate the whole nation. So we stand for the welfare and diligence. With unity and perseverance, we shall educate the girl child. Educate one person. If we stand for the welfare rights of the girl child, with dedication and diligence, with unity and perseverance, we shall educate the girl child for national development. Praise God.
And then she also proceeded to Seni. Seni came from the teacher, and retired teacher, of course. And so looking at her, she was thinking of her days as a student. And so we realized that having gone through the type of training that we are going through now, whatever we can say of ourselves as confident, as brilliant, as law-abiding, as time-conscious, all the adjectives we have for ourselves are found in her. That is why we called her here. Now, this person is someone you would have to meet personally and interact with and know that not every woman on top there is not approachable. Her exploratory, and then by dint of dedication, love for tradition, love for women and girls, she has taken up the position as the Queen Mother. She has actually quotes that tells us that as women, we should have a way of thinking. And this quotation is from Oprah Winfrey. She says, failure is another stepping stone to greatness. And so, she is somebody who we would say has never failed in life. But then, she has always seen her failure as a stepping stone. She is in the person of Nana Efua Nketia Obuo II. Because Melinda Gates says, a woman with a voice is by definition a strong. To find that voice can be remarkably difficult. However, we've gone through the difficulty to get the right person for this program. And so I would want my girls to get up and let's give her a loud fox thing. And so we start with educate a child.
Build a nation.
She's been educated, and nations. She's on, and she has decided to lead all women in AKUAPEM. Fourth, I would want to hand over the mic to her. Please take your seats and let's hear from her whether she is ready to chair our lovely program. Thank you. Madam Chair, your audience, your chairperson.
Raise the occasion as special. That's what I say. And I think because of the time and other things, we couldn't come for my profile. And I would have liked my profile to be there. But I'm very happy, because it's a women's affair. So if I'm telling you, I think it's the right. I'm very happy to chair this occasion. We thank God for giving us a fair weather, and we are here to communicate to ourselves and see whether positions have been placed well, whether as women and girls we've been treated well, and whether it's our fault that we've been pushed corner somewhere for the back. Honestly, I'm very happy to be here and to chair. I think my children in one background who helps to clear the real when something's happening at the real side. He's the one who sees to it that everything is done perfectly well. That he's also here. I don't know whether we are going to work together with because the idea was I'm coming to be the church. I continue with that's in the church. It's a different thing.